incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time for combining the element filtering with subsets. Then, one final detail is that when you do the filter, it's about all of these metrics. You don't have concepts. So if you, let's say that I want, or for instance, I don't know, templates. So I want to select a specific template. In this case, it's redundant for me because I have one of each. But if I go to a different collection, let's say the advanced English collection, that's a good example. Grammar. So I open this, all of the...
Bill would help.
So basically now I have all of the elements that use this template, the grammar. And then I can filter just priority up to 20%, let's say. So what I could do, filter, is I want only items which priority, or I don't know, ordinal. In this case, is the very rare case that the ordinal makes sense because that has been manually set. So I want the first 100, let's say. They are not. This could happen, that there's no hit. Okay, so now I will be getting
joke,
the ordinals below 100.
believer,
But again, it's not that useful because the ordinal can be repeated, as you can see here, can have decimals and can be unused. But still, more or less the first 100 kind of thing. But look at the priority.
bark,
Or perhaps I don't want that. I want to go by priority, not by the order. Or I want by type, so I go to the knowledge tree. I want, let's say, pronunciation. First, I open this on the browser. I only want items.
domino,
So remember that the filter is only about the criteria. So if you want to filter this by template or by concept group, let's say, or by search, you need to do this first. So let's do that. So I want only health. Now I have health. I only want topics. Here you go. I only want memorized. It's quick to do. Then I want to filter this that I have at least 2 repetitions. I don't care about the maximum. No worries about the interval, only about the repetitions. Okay, 300. Now I sort by interval, and that will be enough for me. But, oh yeah, look at the priority range. Okay, I have some that is high, and the other is quite low, so I don't care. So I sort by interval of the longest interval. Or could be from the last repetition date. Look at this. I have some about first year, 2020, and then 2021. That will be enough. Or you know what? Let me filter by the date of the last repetition. I will be doing this range. Now I only have 67, and now I sort by the shortest. I need to click text size, I get the largest, so I need to do it again. And now I get the shortest. Look at this. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, And now I start a subset review. So instead of everything in my collection or everything that is outstanding, that I have 20,000 outstanding topics and 12,000 outstanding items, it's way too much. I can filter this down. So many combinations. So far we have seen how to filter and how to sort, and there's still more that we'll see in the next video about subsets. But for now, this is enough. See you in the next video.